Tinitignan kita. Yan! Yan! Kumusta ka na?
Masaya naman ako.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Paano ko? Dali.
Iba ako.
Dali. Kaya ako, alam mo, nakasuksukti ko yan. Dito ko ninagay para mabili ko sa'yo. Okay. Bakit sa'yo tayo?
No, but seriously, I did six.
Ayaw ko gawin sana doon dahil medyo malungkot. Dahil huling gabi na natin.
Okay naman. Okay. Sige na, friend. Ay, kamusta ka na pala? Kamusta ka na?
Sakit na.
May nagabi na hindi na siya. Ako'y nasasabit na sa'yo.
Gusto na nalulungkot ka rin ba? Sana'y makinig ka.
Ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. Ang pag-ibig ko nito'y di mawawala. Dahil malayo ka sa tingin ko. Kung walang tumagyo, ayos lang. Nakarating na tayo ng Vancouver. Good evening, everybody! Ngayon pala humihina ako ng dispensa kasi buong show, magbablog ako ng nose.
Yan sa totoo lang, meron siyang sakit.
Yesterday pa. Parang sabi ng katawan ko, isang kanta na lang, uwi na tayo, pwede na magkasakit. Kasi iba-iba yung weather. Kasi lipad lang kami ng lipad. Nawala na ako sa ulirat ko. Hindi ko na alam, where am I? Who am I? Who are you?
Naiintindihan ko kung bakit ka nagkakasakit.
Huwag ka assuming.
Malamig, kailangan mo ng
Kaya,
malamig sa labas, di ba?
Oh,
Yes.
Pero okay naman dito, hindi masyado malamig.
Ngayon ako liwanag naman dito. Pwede kong patayin mo ninyo yung ilaw.
So,
Hindi, kailangan natin patayin. Para pareho nating bubuksan. So, pareho natin...
ano? Papatayin natin para bubuksan natin.
Siyempre, pareho tayong magiging on, i-on natin.
Okay. Nalilito ka?
Hindi, yung on.
Off.
On na.
Ayaw mo mag-on. Ibang style na, nakita ko lang yun.
Alam mo kami yung dad jokes. Pero cute pa rin tayo lang.
Kasi hindi mo nagustuhan yung mga jokes ko.
Hindi, minsan gusto ko, pero na-form na. Kasi di pa kayo sa'yo.
Grabe, nung araw.
Walang dad jokes ng araw.
Hindi, nung araw, hindi ko ko pinapansin.
Sobra naman yung pinansin na kita. Sobra na. Sulit na.
Pero at least na-appreciate ko siya. Because nung tayo lahat, nung nanood ko kayo ng Dear Heart, we were all high school, right?
Yes.
High school days.
Right.
High school days. Lahat ng mga kanta ko, pinarinig mo.
Pero wala kang maalala.
Wala.
Ano pa?
Dinadasal ko nga sana na
Mag-iimik.
mag-i-exam ka. Ako sana yung exam paper.
Bakit?
Para ako na lang ang sinasagot mo. Mahirap talaga ang nasa harap ng crowd. Dahil hindi ko magawa yung gusto kong gawin. Yung tantahan siya ng tantahan. Lahat ko ng ginagawa namin ngayon, gusto namin sana ipakita sa inyo sa pamamagitan ng pag-awit. Okay ba yun?
Yes. Bayan siya, di ba? Bayan.
From my early days, sabi ko na luwag na ng magandang ko. Kahit paano ang sa'kin ay gawin, dahil mahal ay handa kong tiisin. Kahit papansinin ang pagluha ko'y wag mong iinibig.
Ang pag-ibig ay krus na may bigla. Ang layuan ay pag-iulit ang mahal.
Di ko magawa, mahal kitang mahal. Please, I love you. Yan ba'y di ba sapat?
Mahal na mahal kita.
Yes, I love you, mahal kita. Ano bang magdadala? Di ako magdadala sa sinasabi nila. Sinta.
Panunudo ko, ito lang ako, panunudo kita.
Picture mo ako.
Picture mo, sino yung camera sa inyo?
Kaya mapatag tayo, tayo.
Kanya yun. Scripted yun.
No word comes close enough to describing what I truly feel. Every time we embrace and my wonderful dreams become real. You may read all the words, no love story was ever like this. I could die Okay, let's go back in time. And here is the song I sang for God in the reception of our wedding.
Sino sa inyo ang
40 years ago.
Sino sa inyo ang dumating dun sa wedding namin?
Sino ang dumatilot na himatay yung
Sino
gusto
na
namin
yun?
ng tao?
Mamaya na yun kasi last night na namin. Baka makarried away.
Why, but it's been such a nice tour, no?
Ano kanina pa umiiyak to sa backstage.
Oh!
Kaya isang tissue box na naubos namin.
What story
Then meron siya mga sinisipon siya, ganyan.
O, hindi ko po kanina, kinukontra ko. Okay.
Kasi naman naman kami.
Oh, this is for all of you who are in love. So you might want to sing this song because it's still a beautiful love song. And we haven't sung this in a while except during the tour. Don't forget, it was composed by Willie Cruz and sung by the great Nonoy Sulica. Naalala mo, kinanta natin mo. Night after night, we sleep together, sharing lovely moments that's forever.
Day after day, our love gets stronger, growing every minute that we get closer.
If we ever had to say goodbye and go our own separate ways, I wouldn't know how to get my own way home.
kung wala ka, I'm down.
Kaya collect niya. Kaya collect na sa Google ko.
Narinig ko lang yung Maria Defensor. Okay lang po. Oo, ganyan naman talaga. Alam mo tayo, kami dalawa kasi, parang pinagdahanan talaga. Pero, parang ka rin cactus. Yun! Di ba? Alam mo yun,
Hindi rin.
Di ba? Di ba lang?
Bakit?
Ay, nako. Handa kitang yakapin kahit na masakit. Kahit na nasasaktan ako.
Hindi ako yung masakit. Ikaw!
Di ba? Alam mo, kanina ikaw inalagaan kita dahil may sakit ka.
Hindi rin. Hindi naman ako para pumunta na tayo. Huwag ka masyadong drama.
Sabi mo nga, are you okay or are you alright?
Sumagot na ako.
Alin sa dalawa?
Honestly.
Ha? Are you alright? Are you okay or are you alright?
I'm okay, alright.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Gawin natin ito.
Kailangan pala, we'd like for you to watch this with us. Ito yung mga hindi kami magkasabos ng mga sagot namin.
She said.
First kiss, yung kiss namin sa Leonard, yung first kiss namin talaga.
It wasn't the day I said yes to him. It was a couple of weeks after.
Sa totoo lang, I don't remember kung ano yung gift specifically na binigay ko sa kanya. Pero during those days, marami akong binibigay yung mga gifts sa kanya. And sometimes, most of the time, mga maliliit na gifts yun. May kasamang notes yun. So may notes siya, yung how do you feel, mahina ba, and so on and so forth. Tapos meron kasamang maliit na regalo yun. Kami nga nila, di ba? Big surprises comes in small gifts.
Oh, really little gifts when we were kids, the flowers or something. I didn't give me a ring before he proposed pa. We were just boyfriend and girlfriend before I said yes to him. Wedding, marriage proposal. He gave me a ring that I wore all the time. I had the two-night concert in Arena Coliseum called Sharon's World It was in July of 1984. And it was at the last rehearsal, the night before the first show. When he came to Araneta, and I was already going backstage. Tapos may hagdanan pababa sa floor na. So from the stage, I went like this. Then I saw him coming. So nasa taas pa ako, di ba, kung nakakababa ng hagdanan. Then that's when he just said, let's get married. I want to marry you.
Okay, so when I was backstage, when I proposed, that was not planned. Those things just happened at the spur of the moment. So it was fun, and that moment really felt, this is it.
Sabi madilim. Eh, paano mo? Teka lang.
First time when she was pregnant, we were excited, syempre, we will have a baby. That was the moment na things would change. So yung feeling na yun, you know na you're going to have a baby and you're going to be a daddy soon.
When I found out I was pregnant, I was in the States. We were already married. And it was so... I don't know, mixed in emotions because I was scared that my dad would get a heart attack if he found out. Not only that I was pregnant, but that I had married behind your back. So I was happy though. I was happy because I felt, oh my God, we're going to have a baby together. And oh my God, this is my love. You know,
Tawakan mo at F
a baby.
Oo, maliwanag sa'yo.
She was going to me the next day, and she was so big and beautiful. And the first time my mom saw her, because my mom was there when I delivered, my mom right away said, "Look like Daddy." Actually, she looked a lot like my mom and Gabby's dad. So we knew right away, oh my God, she's a John. Okay, so she was the most perfect child. She was the most perfect baby.
When I first saw her, nandun ako sa loob, nagsarap ng feeling. Because here's somebody coming up, and you know, na nagaling sa inyo yung dalawa. And it was such a beautiful feeling, it's unexplainable.
Saan kong alam eh. Camera.
Andyan?
Yun yung hinahanap ko.
Hindi niya.
Fairy tales are make-believe. And the reality of the ending of the relationship for our prince and princess was not a happy one. But with the passing of time and the shared love of their one and only daughter, after 43 years, here they are, together again, for you. Thanks to healing, forgiveness, new beginnings, new families, and their forever fans.
Ay, nag-usap ko ang kawin namin.
Dami namin na
Alam ko si Casey.
Pag pinagsama-sama namin lahat ng mga pinag-usapan namin, yun lang siguro 2 oras na.
Hindi ko
Hindi makita. Saan ba ang setting?
8 shows. Imagine 8 shows.
Yan, ginanito ko lang siya yung dito.
Saan eh? Naliwanag
Dito
to.
eh.
Saan?
Kayo po ang naging witness ng aming mga teleserye. I hope you enjoy the clippings.
Ito, pakita ko siya.
Parang we live their life.
Saan?
Every time we would
Sa camera.
watch
Sa camera.
itong clippings na to. Kahapon lang. No?
Madilim mo.
Yeah.
So much has happened.
You know, it's not only us na nagkasama doon. In fact, kasama natin sila.
Yes, all of us. Now we're together tonight for the first time in 4 decades. Because you know, you followed our careers whether together or separately, and we are so, so thankful to all of you for that. Thank you for not stopping and loving us and supporting us both.
And this song is not just for the two of us, but I think kasama rin lahat dito. We used to be one.
Yeah, with us.
Kasama tayo natin. Up to now, we're here.
Yeah, and I'd like to do this for you, for
For all of us.
all of us. Now we're to divided money. We used to be one. I can remember when our hearts were very young. You said our love would be forever,
Kita ganyan. Ayan.
but that was such a
Madilim na yung style.
long time,
Saan ba yung saan kayo sa set niya?
long time ago. Time and again, I still remember day after day when you hold me close to you. I will leave you with my work husband, and he will entertain you on his own. Dito na ba?
Ano naman sasabihin ko sa'yo? Ito. Sarap na kayo dyan. Alam niyo, walo lang ang ginagawa natin. You know, 8 is a lucky number.
That's how I signed my S.
Yeah.
Yes.
I didn't know that until after.
Actually, that's why 8 ang songs natin because ang S 8 yun, di ba?
8 yung shows. Wala mo
Yes.
connection.
Sana. Exactly. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the show tonight. And, nag-enjoy ba?
Ako naman, nainis na ako dahil last show na, dapat wala akong sakit, di ba? Hirap ko na. Pero okay ba?
Yes!
It's hard, guys. I love you, John. Oh, I love you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll do my very best. I already asked God to take away my voice at 1 a.m.
Ako, yun lang ako.
Okay na. Tapusin na natin itong maganda.
Actually, we were planning sana like after this show, we can do another few shows next year. No?
Yes!
Okay. Yeah, we were really thinking about doing another show, another tour next year. Pero, kailan ba kayo libre?
Anytime!
Naman namin yun, di ba? Important.
No, but I don't know what's going to be first. If it's North America or we're doing the other continents first.
Ang sabi ko sa amin na baka magpunta kami ng Australia. Sino sa inyo may kamag-anak sa Australia?
We'll tour there and then also some parts of the Middle East. Then we're going back to America.
Yes.
Yes!
And we might start the tour.
Um,
Remember?
Anong marang gusto ninyo?
With Casey!
Balita namin pagdating ng mga month ng June, okay sa inyo?
Yes!
Hindi ba kayo nagbabakasyon, no?
No!
Hindi. O sige, narinig sinabi niyo, sama daw natin si Casey next time.
Yes!
Kayo na lang muna. Kasi parang naman tayo family bird control.
Yeah.
Bakit naman pakiawan? Kayo na muna.
Mas maganda kung kasama natin siya.
Pero
gusto
malakas ang tampo ko sa batang yun. Kaya... Teka, sorry, hindi ka gusto iwanan. Pero nasisi na ako.
Siyempre, mas maganda kung laro kayo natin dito.
Yeah! That's true.
At least naman matuwa silang lahat.
O, di kayo na muna. Nanonood ako. Sama na lang ako mag-aalala.
Mabati na kasi kita.
Ay, hindi ako may issue. Okay, huwag na natin pag-usapan. 2 years na kami estranged. Oh, it's okay. I love my daughter. I love her forever.
Okay, let's just do this song.
Okay, let's just do it. Ba't ba tayo napunta dito?
Marami kasi nagtatanong that after this tour, should we say hello or should we say goodbye? I think we should say hello.
Yeah. But that's my Christmas on my own. You spend Christmas
Pero
on
huwag
your
niyo
own.
na papansinin yung mga words. Let's just enjoy this moment.
Should we stay?
Stay!
Ito na naman. Kanta mo ito. Billboard Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Okay, go. Okay, what's your final answer? Okay.
Stay!
Should we stay?
Stay!
Should we say bye-bye?
No!
Walk away.
Yes!
Walk away. To let our dreams just fly.
Alright. Well, it's 50-50, you know. Narinig ba ninyo yung separation na anxiety and setup?
Yes.
Sinong meron nun? Shara Nation. Magsasapak.
Ay, ako, alam mo, as much as ayokong maris na dito sa stage na to, pero ang maraming sinasabi sa atin on our 7 shows, pagkatapos nung kumanta, paalisin mo na siya dahil kailangan niya magbihis.
So, akala ko umalis.
Diba?
Oo.
Pero huwag ka sana masyadong lumayo.
Hindi, doon lang. Maghubad lang ako sa labi. O, babalik ako. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gabby Concepcion, ex-husband, work husband, ex-boyfriend, no. Partner in crime. Okay, see you later.
Talaga, patay yung mga ilaw, equal namin pareho sa okay, guys. Kamusta kayo lahat? Habang nagbibihis siya, gusto ko lang maging bro sa inyo. Okay? Okay ba kayo?
Yes.
Personal po itong tatanong ko sa inyo. Very personal to ba? Sino sa inyo ang magaling magluto ng adobo? Kung tayo kakain sa bahay niyo.
Yes.
Pero sa totoo lang, ewan ko sino nakapanood ng shows ko nung show ko dito sa Bangkok. Kaya, di ba nakaka 15 shows na ako dito? Di ba? Yes. Actually, isang beses ko lang. I was just hoping na yung 15 na yan, magkakasama tayo kasi nung nasa Manila pa tayo. 15 times yung pinanood ng Dear Heart, P.S. I Love You, di ba? I Only Love, gano'n. Pero sa totoo niyan, katulad ng sinasabi ko nung araw, guys, I'm not a singer.
It's okay.
I don't even know what I'm doing here. I'm an actor, di ba? At madalas ko sinasabi yun sa mga yun, di ba? So, I hope I'm doing a good job.
Guwapo naman. Yes.
My acting, my singing out. Alam niyo pa, ito sikreto lang sa atin. Sa atin lang to pag kumakanta kayo, you act it out. Di ba? Di ba? Sa trabaho ninyo, mag-apply kayo, di ba? Mag-act out kayo, kunyari, alam niyo yung trabaho ninyo. Pero hindi lang. You know, believe ako sa inyo lahat. I wish I was a Canadian citizen, katulad ninyo.
Aww.
Di ba? Ang dami siya. Grabe, ang benefits, di ba? Hindi tayo makatiranan. Kayo ba? Pag nasa Pilipinas kayo, sa totoo lang, napakahirap po bumili ng ticket. Sa magkano bilhin yung ticket mo sa inyo? Nakabili ng ticket mo. Di ba? You know, it's not a joke, guys. Tapos, ang dami nyo ng cellphone. Oh, hello. Di ba? Cellphone na lang, magkano na? Grabe. Di ba, may plan kayo? Ano bang plan niya? May SIM card kayo o plan talaga?
Plan.
Ano plan? Grabe. Did you plan to be here tonight?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. Pero lahat ng ginawa ninyo po, galing sa puso. Let's do this. Para sa inyo. Alright. Ayun. Concentrate.
Maria.
Maliwanag na?
Mamaliwanag na sa'yo.
Hindi ko ganyan.
Iso mo. Gwapo niya, no? Gwapo! Yeah. Maria. Nagpipicture ka? Picturean mo.
O bakit nagaganyan siya?
Iso mo. Yeah! More!
Isa pa lamang ang minahal ko talaga. Yan ang teleserye namin ni Claudine Barreto. Ang November 2008. Bigyan mo rin. Ang kumanta nito sino?
Shasha Padilla. Tama ba?
Sino may extra room? I'm sure na may miss na Manila, right?
Yes!
This song is for you guys. Maraming beses na kita nilayasan. Iniwanan at ibang pinuntahan. Parang babaeng hirap talaga malimutan. Ikaw lamang ang aking lagi na balikan.
Punta ka, punta ka. Punta ka na.
request ko sa inyo. Padali niyo ako ng kopya, ha? Conception, grabe, Instagram ko. Kasi may aking leading lady, nandiyan na ba? Wala pa? Okay.